One day, a fierce storm hit the forest, causing chaos and destruction. The animals panicked and ran for shelter, but Ollie remained calm. He gathered everyone and led them to safety in a nearby cave. As they huddled together, waiting for the storm to pass, Ollie began to tell them a story. He spoke of a time when he was just a young owl, and he had faced a similar storm alone, but instead of seeking shelter, he had tried to brave it on his own. "I learned a valuable lesson that day," Ollie said, his voice echoing in the cave. "Sometimes asking for help is the bravest thing you can do." The animals listened intently, realizing the importance of Ollie's words. When the storm finally subsided, they emerged from the cave, grateful for Ollie's guidance. From that day on, whenever they faced challenges, they remembered Ollie's lesson. They worked together, supporting one another through difficult times, knowing that together they were stronger. And so, the animals of the forest lived harmoniously, united by the wisdom of their beloved friend, Ollie the Owl.